Hey everybody, and welcome back to Empty Pockets Ironworks. Thank you for joining me again this week. For today's project, I thought we would make one of the simple little crotal bells. I just started making these this last week. This will actually be only the fourth one that I've made, but they've proven to be a pretty fun little project. There's a lot of forming that's involved. This template is not one from online. This is one that I actually made based on videos that I've watched in the past, demonstrations, pictures that you find on Google, that sort of thing. So it's worked out pretty well. There may be some changes in the future. Now, speaking of the templates, I've had a lot of requests recently for templates. The deer skull, the skull faceplate, just a lot of the stuff that I do, people are very interested in the templates. So I wanted to address to you that I have just recently updated my ability to scan, and I also got a new light board, and so I'm going to be working on trying to refine my templates, make them user-friendly for you folks, and then we'll work out some way of making those available online via YouTube or via our Facebook account. So stay tuned, pretty exciting stuff. It'll be cool to be able to offer that to you guys, and then hopefully you'll be able to share your creations that you've made via my templates. So anyway, without too much getting into it, this is pretty straightforward, and hopefully you enjoy. Thank you.